Wondering how to get and use Instagram on your Apple Watch Series 10? Well, in today's video, I'll show you how to do just that. I'll also show you how to get Instagram notifications as well as reply to Instagram messages or DMs on your Apple Watch. Let's get started. Since the official Instagram app is not available on the App Store of your Apple Watch, there is no way to install or download it. However, there are workarounds that lets you access and use Instagram on your Apple Watch without any third-party app for free. So the first thing that you want to do is launch Siri on your Apple Watch and say search instagram.com on the internet. It will show you this web page. Select the login option and proceed to sign in to your Instagram account. After signing in, you'll see your Instagram feed on your Apple Watch. You can use either the display or the scroll wheel to scroll down the home page of your Instagram. You'll be able to like posts, add comments, and even access your search feed and profile. However, since it's not an official method, this is the extent of features that you can access. You won't be able to watch reels or view most of the stories. You can only view the stories which have static images. And as you can see here, I'm trying to access my DMs, but it is not showing anything. And I cannot scroll down here. You might encounter some issues and going back sometimes closes the web page. But the good thing is that the Apple Watch will keep you logged in and won't ask for login credentials every time you're trying to access Instagram this way. Now, to get all your Instagram notifications on your Apple Watch, grab your iPhone and open the Watch app. Go to the notification section, scroll down and make sure that the Instagram toggle button is turned on. Doing so will mirror all your Instagram notifications you receive on your phone directly onto your Apple Watch Series 10. Every time you receive an Instagram message or someone comments on your post or likes your reels, you'll get notified and you can also reply to Instagram DMs directly from your watch. You can choose to send a quick reply or you can also send a custom reply with emojis using this keyboard. You can also use gestures to type the reply or simply use the dictation feature to type the message. When I was trying to get Instagram notifications on my Apple Watch Series 10, I couldn't find the Instagram app here. If that's happening with you too, then you'll need to go to iPhone's notification settings and enable Instagram notifications. Now, it'll show up under notifications on the Watch app. This is the easiest way to get or access Instagram feed, reply to Instagram messages, and receive Instagram notifications directly on your Apple Watch. And that's it for this one. If you found this video informative, then give it a like and subscribe to Wearholic for more wearable content like this. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.